Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show you how to find battery-draining apps Android. Let's go. Any app will become a battery hog if you run it all day. Some apps might not even be too resource-intensive, but they sure are addictive. First of all, open the Settings app on your device. After that, scroll down. Go to Battery. Tap on it. Here you will see all the apps that you use daily. In front of them, you will see the battery percentage that each app uses. Keep in mind, if your phone's battery is draining faster than usual, it either means you're using a lot of energy or your phone is not using energy efficiently. This could mean you're overworking your phone by running too many applications, or something is physically wrong with the phone battery itself. One of the main reasons for battery drain is apps running in the background. When you use an app, it continues to run in the background even after you have closed it. This can significantly drain your battery life. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.